स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। सरस्वती नृत्यतु वाचि मे सदा। अद्य नूतनं पाठं विद्याधनम् इति पाठं पठामः। विद्या ज्ञानं, धनं वित्तं संपत्तिः। My dear boys, today we are going to start the new lesson. The name of the lesson is Vidya Dhanam, the wealth of knowledge. Wealth. Nowadays, in the modern days, wealth means it means only the currency that we use. But wealth means many things. Not only the currency. If you have a very good bungalow, that is also wealth. If you have very good vehicles with you, that is also wealth. Of course, the ornament, jewelry that you have, it's a wealth. And more than that, your knowledge is the most superior wealth in the world. Knowledge is the very precious wealth that is there on the earth. Do you agree with me? May not be. Many of you may not agree that knowledge is wealth, because we see many knowledgeful people are very poor. They are not well off. According to the society, what they see. One who has got money, he is called wealthy, not the one who has got the knowledge. But today's this Subhashita will solve all your doubts. It will make you clear that what is very important in the life. These Vidya Dhanam, here are the 4 shlokas, are selected shlokas. All these 4 shlokas are very important shlokas in the Sanskrit literature. Everybody who has studied the Sanskrit will render these shlokas because they are so famous. These shlokas are written by Bhartruhari. Bhartruhari has written these shlokas in the Niti Shatakam. In the Niti Shataka, you can get these shlokas. In the next class, I will tell after completion the complete story of the Bhartruhari. Bhartruhari is so great poet. Why he is great, we will see in the end. Have the curiosity. Shall we start? The poem name itself tells Vidya Dhanam. Knowledge is wealth. Understood? The wealth without the knowledge is of no use. Why? Why you need wealth? To enjoy, is it? So, but when wealth has come, will you be happy? No. You will be struggling to protect that one. Understood? How to protect? We will see it. First, let us read the shloka. Na chauraharyam, na chauraharyam, na cha rajaharyam, na cha rajaharyam, na bhratrubhajyam, na bhratrubhajyam, न च भारकारी, न च भारकारी, व्यये कृते वर्धत एव नित्यम, वर्धत एव नित्यम, विद्याधनम सर्वधन प्रधानम, विद्याधनम सर्वधन प्रधानम. Once again we will read. न चौरहार्यम, न चौरहार्यम, न च राजहार्यम, न च राजहार्यम, न भ्रातृभाज्यम, न भ्रातृभाज्यम, न च भारकारी, न च भारकारी, व्यये कृते, व्यये कृते वर्धत एव नित्यम, वर्धत एव नित्यम, विद्याधनम सर्वधन प्रधानम, विद्याधनम सर्वधन प्रधानम। न चौरहार्यम, चौरः, चौरः नाम कः? चौरः नाम तस्करः, चौरः नाम तस्करः, तस्करः नाम thief. The knowledge, the wealth of the knowledge. If you have money, a thief can steal it. But if you have the knowledge cannot be stolen by thieves. Knowledge cannot be stolen by thieves. Nacha rajaharyam, raja, राजा नाम नृपः अथवा भूपतिः, नृपः भूपतिः। न च राजहार्यम, राजा, in the olden days kings were there. Kings used to take the wealth when it is there, but nowadays modern governments are there. When you are accumulating more wealth, you will be having more taxes, wealth tax, entertainment tax, like this. Many taxes are there. If you have a vehicle, road tax will be there. If you have a bungalow, the municipality will put a tax on that. Is it? If you have fields, agricultural tax will be there. So like this, Rajaharyam, the king or the government will take the 1%, that means through the taxes. But if you have the wealth cannot be taxed. On your knowledge, it cannot be taxed. Na bhratrubhajyam, bhrata, bhrata nama kaha? Bhrata nama sahodaraha, the brother. Nowadays sister also. Modern law tells that there is an equal share for all the brothers. If your father is having wealth, what will happen? Both the sons will share it. All the sons and daughters will share it. If knowledge is there, it cannot be shared by brothers. Na bhratrubhajyam, it cannot be shared by brothers. Nacha bharakari, bharakari. If you want to bring the money, you will get the suitcases, briefcases filled, but it becomes very heavy. Is it? If you want to withdraw lakhs of rupees, you will take someone very trustworthy with you because of the protection. If you have the wealth, you need a protection and it becomes very heavy. Whereas knowledge will never become heavy. Bharakari, it will not be heavy. Vyaye krute, vyayaha. Vyayaha, spending. Vyaye krute vardhata eva nityam. When the money is spent, it keeps on decreasing. Is it? You have 100 rupees, you have eaten one masala dosa. Now you have left with only 50 rupees. Is it? So that means when you are spending, it goes on decreasing. Vyaye krute, all the wealth in the world, if you spend, it decreases. But vidya, knowledge. If you spend, it will increase. You have understood a problem, you explain to your friend, the problem will be permanently there in your mind. You have money, give to your friend, it will decrease. Whereas knowledge, give to your friend, vyaye krute, you spend your knowledge, it will increase. Vyaye krute vardhata eva nityam vyayaha. The opposite of vyayaha is ayaha. Vardhata, vardhate, vardhate is there, its opposite is kshiyate. Vardhate increases, kshiyate decreases. Vyaye krute vardhata. It is the only knowledge in this world. By spending, it will increase. Is there anything, any sort of, any money which keeps on increasing by spending? No. It is the only knowledge which keeps increasing if you keep on spending. Nityam, that what? Every day, you spend every day, lavishly. You be spending very lavishly. Nityam, every day if you spend also, it will keeps on increasing. That's why vidya dhanam, the wealth of the knowledge, the wealth of the knowledge, sarva dhana pradhanam. Pradhanam nama mukyam. Pradhanam, very important. Out of all the money, out of all the wealth, the most important wealth is vidyadhanam. Vidyadhanam sarvadhana pradhanam. It is the most important wealth of all kinds. If you see all kinds of wealth, out of that, the most important is wealth of knowledge. Is it clear? Once again, we will read. Na chauraharyam. It cannot be stolen by thieves. Na cha rajaharyam. The wealth of the knowledge cannot be taxed by kings or the governments. Na bhratrubhajyam. The wealth of the knowledge cannot be shared by brothers. Nacha bharakari. This wealth will not be heavy at any time. Vyaye krute. If you spend, vardhata eva nityam. If you spend every day, even then it keeps on increasing. Vidyadhanam, the wealth of the knowledge, sarvadhana pradhanam. It is the most important wealth of all kinds. So you should know the difference between pradhanam, pradhanam. Pradhanam means mukhyam, very important, whereas pradhanam means giving. Pradhan, pradhana mantri he is not pradhana mantri, he is pradhana mantri. Pradhanaha nama mukhyaha. Avagatam? So danam, pradhanam means giving. Once again, chauraha, samanarthaka padam tatra taskaraha iti samanarthaka padam. Chauraha taskaraha, raja nrupaha bhupatihi, भ्राता सहोदरः, व्ययः तस्य विलोम पदम आयः. आयः व्ययः. आयः means income, व्ययः means खर्च, that is spending. वर्धते increases, क्षीयते decreases. वर्धते क्षीयते, these are the opponents. Once again we will read the shloka. न चौरहार्यं न च राजहार्यं न भ्रातृभाज्यं न च भारकारी व्यये कृते वर्धत एव नित्यं विद्याधनं सर्वधनप्रधानं। पुनः पठामः। न चौरहार्यं न च राजहार्यं न भ्रातृभाज्यं न च भारकारी व्यये कृते वर्धत एव नित्यं विद्याधनं सर्वधनप्रधानं। न चौरहार्यं न च राजहार्यं न भ्रातृभाज्यं न च भारकारी व्यये कृते वर्धत एव नित्यं विद्याधनं सर्वधनप्रधानं। सस्वरं गायता एतं श्लोकं कण्ठस्थीकुर्वन्तु। भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनं। धन्यवादाः।